Now we'll talk about how to put up a BlockUp corner. Leveling course is in place. It's on top of our footing. It's leveled, grout filled, a great place to start our corner. We grab our first corner block. We go perpendicular, corner below, stack it in its place. Simply come up, adjust it, align, we go grab our next block. Next block comes into place. It's set quickly, set accurately, self-aligns. We're going to go and grab the block for the other corner, for the other opposing wall. And so on this side, we use a block that has a flush face going against a flush side of the block at the corner. Slides into place. We come in here, cut a small slot, put a piece of rebar, reinforce that corner, and we have a solid corner. We keep going. Go get our next block, bring it in place. Comes in place, slides right in. Now, we come to our next corner block. And again, that simply is put in place as a stack logic. Put in place, aligned, and we're ready to go with our next block. Field block is set in place, and we start to build out and start to build the base for our entire wall. We have the other field block that is, again, a flush end, whether it's cut or whether it is a flush ended block. It comes into place, the corner is aligned, and again, we cut the top of the corner block, put a piece of rebar in, we pour it solid with grout. We have the start of a great wall with a square, structurally sound corner.